Hello everyone, this is Professor Raghavendra Adhyapak, KLS Kokti College of Commerce, Belgavi. So in today's class, we are going to start with a technical analysis. Okay, so in the last class, we studied about the fundamental analysis. Under the fundamental analysis, we studied the EIC analysis, that is economic analysis, industry analysis, and company analysis. Correct. So in today's class, we are going to begin with the technical analysis. So first, we'll see what is the meaning of technical analysis. Okay, a technical analysis believes that the share prices is determined by the demand and supply forces operating in the market. Okay, so first technical analysis क्या believes करता है, prices is determined, जो कुछ भी शेयर का प्राइस होता है that will be determined or affected by the demand and supply force of the मार्केट. ओके, सो जो कुछ भी मार्केट में डिमांड एंड सप्लाई उस फैक्टर क्या होता है, शेयर प्राइसेस के ऊपर इफेक्ट पड़ता है. ओके, अ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द मोमेंट ऑफ शेयर प्राइसेस. ओके, सो टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करता है, मोर ऑन द मोमेंट ऑफ द प्राइस. करेक्ट. In the economic analysis, we studied more about the different factors which affects. Correct. But here we more concentrate on the share prices movements. Okay. Okay. Next, this claims that examining the past share price movements, future share price can be accurately predicted. What technical analysis is that? If we analysis the past share movements, okay, जो कुछ भी एक साल पहले या 1 मंथ के पहले जो कुछ भी प्राइस मूवमेंट था, अगर हमने उसको प्रॉपरली स्टडी कर रहे हैं, देन वी कैन प्रेडिक्ट द फ्यूचर. ओके, that means the accurately. Okay, so this is that if we examine the past data or past records of the past price movements, we can predict the future earning or future price movement in the market. Okay, the basic premises of technical analysis is that prices moves in a trends or waves which may be upward or downward. Okay, so what this is that under the technical analysis they said price movements will be there. That price movements will be in the form of trends or waves. Trends or wave means ups and downs. Yes, we can see the waves in the seas, how it will be ups and downs, right? So like that, the trend will be in a form of upward or downward movements. Okay, a rationale behind the technical analysis is that share price behavior repeat itself over the time, and analysts attempt to try the method to predict this repetition. Okay, what this is that the main object or idea behind this technical analysis is that share price behavior repeat itself. History repeats बोलते हैं ना, like that. What this is that whatever the share price today we are seeing, no, the same which was happened in the past. Okay, so if you know the past data when it is happened, in the same manner they're going to appear in the future. Okay, like that, this is that बिहेवियर रिपीट इटसेल्फ. ओके, सो जो कुछ भी एक साल पहला ट्रेंड था वही ट्रेंड हो अभी हो सकता है, जो कुछ भी एक मंथ पहले ट्रेंड था वही ट्रेंड यहाँ पे हो जाता है. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज दैट जो कुछ भी ट्रेंड हम फ्यूचर में स्टडी करते हैं दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर टू द पास्ट ट्रेंड. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी डेज पास्ट और हाउ मेनी ईयर्स पास्ट इट इज वी डोंट नो, बट दिस इज the history repeats or the past data over a time, it will repeats and affects on the future. Okay, so that is about the technical analysis. Next is what this is like fundamental analysis. Technical analysis does not evaluate the large number of fundamental factors relating to the company. Okay, so economic analysis, in the economic analysis what we studied the different factors which are going to affect the price. Correct, different company related, economic related, industry related factors we studied. Correct, but in a technical analysis it will not study about the any such kind of factors, but what it studies, but it studies the internal market data and analysis with the help of charts and graphs. जो कुछ भी प्राइस मूवमेंट था, पास्ट प्राइस मूवमेंट, that data will be studied under the technical analysis and the same will be represented with the help of ग्राफ्स एंड चार्ट्स। ओके, सो चार्ट्स या ग्राफ से हेल्प से क्या करते हैं हम, पास्ट डेटा को एनालाइज करते हैं। ओके, सो दैट इज अबाउट टेक्निकल एनालिसिस। Next is meaning. So, in other words, what we can say that technical analysis involves a study of market generated data like prices and volume to determine the future direction of price movement. It is a process of identifying trend reversal at an earlier stage to formulate buying and selling strategy. Okay, what it says, it involves a study of market generated data like price and volume. So जो कुछ भी प्राइस या वॉल्यूम है उसको क्या करते हैं हम, स्टडी करते हैं। फॉर व्हाट, टू प्रेडिक्ट द फ्यूचर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट, पास्ट डेटा और पास्ट प्राइस मूवमेंट्स। ओके, दैट इज अबाउट टेक्निकल एनालिसिस। Next, we will see what are the different assumptions related to this technical analysis. First one, the market value of a securities is related to the demand and supply factors operating in the market. Okay, securities क्या होता है, related to supply and demand होता है. Next is, there are both rational and irrational factors which surround the supply and demand factors of the security. Third one, security prices behave in a manner there is movement in a continuous in a particular direction for some length of a time. So जो कुछ भी movement होता है that will be in a continuous in a particular direction. Okay. Next is, trends in stock prices have been seen to change when there is a shift in the demand and supply factors. Okay, so if there is any shift in the demand and supply, अगर demand या supply में change हो रहा है, that change will affect on the share prices trends. Okay, next, the shift in the demand and supply can be detected through the chart prepared specially to show the market actions. जो कुछ भी मार्केट एक्शन दिखाने के लिए चार्ट होता है, वो जो कुछ भी चार्ट है, with that help we can study this demand and supply shifts. Okay, patterns which are projected by the charts record prices movements, and these recorded patterns are should be price movements, and these recorded pattern are used by the analyst to forecast the future movement of the price. जो कुछ भी हमारा past recorded data का price movement का chart था ना, that chart will be used by the analyst for the forecast the future movement of the prices. Okay, so analyst will use these charts for the future predictions. Okay, so this is the basic assumptions or principles of the technical analysis. Next is Dow theory. So under this technical analysis, one of the most famous theory is that Dow theory. Regarding this theory, we will see now. Originally, this Dow theory is proposed in the 19th century by Charles H. Dow, the editor of Wall Street Journal. Okay, the Dow theory is perhaps the oldest and best known theory of technical analysis. Dow developed this theory on the basis of certain hypotheses which are as follows. Okay, so किसने डेवलप किया डाउ थ्योरी को? द डाउ थ्योरी इज डेवलप्ड बाय चार्ल्स एच डाउ. Okay, so in this his theory, even he has certain hypotheses or assumptions. What are that assumptions? Now we will see. First one is, no single individual or a buyer or group of buyers can influence the major trends in the market. However, an individual investor can affect the daily price movement by buying and selling huge quantum of particular script. Okay, so what this is, single individual या सिंगल बायर कैन नॉट इन्फ्लुएंस द मेजर ट्रेंड. जो कुछ भी मार्केट का मेजर अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं दैट विल नॉट अफेक्ट बाय इंडिविजुअल बायर और सेलर, बट in some case they may affect on the prices of a day to day transactions, right? So जो कुछ भी डे टू डे ट्रांजैक्शंस का प्राइस मूवमेंट होता है ना, वहाँ पे इंडिविजुअल बायर का सेलिंग और बाइंग का इफेक्ट्स पड़ता है, बट इन द लॉन्ग रन ऑफ टाइम अ सिंगल इंडिविजुअल्स का जो कुछ भी ट्रेंड होता है दैट विल नॉट अफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज, द मार्केट डिस्काउंट्स एवरीथिंग, इवन अ natural calamities such as earthquake, okay, so fire or any such kind of things happens that will discount the market. The word trade center blast affected the share market for a short while and then market returned back to normally. Okay, so what this is that even the natural calamities also affects on the discounting or downwards of the market. Okay, so अगर कहाँ पे earthquake हो रहा है कुछ भी tsunami हो रहा है तो there is any fire accidents, so that will also affects on the market. But after a certain period of time the market come back to the normal. Okay, next is the theory is not infallible. It is not a tool to beat the market but provides a way to understand the market. Okay, so with the help of this technical analysis we cannot control the situation but only we can what predict and understand. Okay, so जो कुछ भी होने वाला है that will obviously happens. We cannot control that situation, but we what we can do, we can understand what is going to happen and we can take a certain precautions. Okay, we cannot stop the things happening. That is the third assumptions of Dow theory. Okay, next is according to Dow theory, the market has three movements, and these movements are simultaneous in the nature. These movements are the primary movements, secondary movements, and minor or tertiary movements. Okay, so in the Dow theory, we see the थ्री प्राइज मोमेंट्स. सो जो कुछ प्राइज में मोमेंट्स होता है ना उसको उन्होंने क्या किया है थ्री सेट में डिवाइड किया है. वन इज प्राइमरी मोमेंट, सेकंड वन इज सेकेंडरी मोमेंट, थर्ड वन इज थर्शरी और माइनर मोमेंट. Okay, so according to Dow theory the trends is divided into primary, intermediate and short term trends. Okay, so whatever I told just now, primary, secondary, that may be intermediate or short term or minor movements. Okay, primary trends may be the broad upward or downward movement that may last for a year or 2 year. प्राइमरी ट्रेंड क्या स्टडी करता है, ट्रेंड इन द ईयर और 2 year का ट्रेंड स्टडी करता है. ओके, द इंटरमीडिएट ट्रेंड्स आर corrective movements which may be last for 3 weeks to 3 months. जो कुछ भी 3 months और 3 weeks का जो मंथ्स में ट्रेंड्स होता है ना उसको स्टडी करते हैं ना, दैट इज अबाउट द सेकेंडरी रिएक्शंस. ओके, द लास्ट वन इज माइनर मोमेंट्स. द प्राइमरी ट्रेंड may be interrupted by the intermediate trend. The short term trend refers to the day-to-day price movements. See what this is, short term trends are डे टू डे प्राइस मूवमेंट्स. एवरी डे जो कुछ भी प्राइस मूवमेंट्स होता है ना उसको उस ट्रेंड को क्या बोलते हैं हम, माइनर ट्रेंड और short term trend. Okay, so it is also known as oscillator or fluctuations. These three types of trends are compared to tide waves and ripples of the sea. Okay, so this is about the